Thank you for joining me. I'm Juan, lead trader and founder of ProsperiTrade. In this quick short video, I want to do my follow-up with my swing alert that I made yesterday on ticker symbol FBRX. You're going to want to watch this video. So yesterday, I posted on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, StockTwits, ticker symbol FBRX and INSM. And I mentioned that I was making a video, which I did, which I was still doing research, but I did my research and I'm going to summarize what I've learned about these two companies and why I'm bullish on them and why I'm calling them out for a swing alert. So this was yesterday. They're up actually over 3.5%. Both of them are up 3.5% since yesterday. So let's start off with the technical analysis of this company. So this company, FBRX, has been on an uptrend. You see here, they had the MACD crossover. It hit the 35 area on the RSI. And since then, it's just been on an uptrend. It found some support here at 2681. It's just been on an uptrend. So my exit strategy for this play, if it drops below 28.30, I'm definitely going to take a look and see if I'm going to exit. My exit will probably be somewhere in the low 28s and no lower than 27.90-ish. So I'm risking about $2 on this company. I say that to say you have to be prepared and you have to be comfortable taking a loss. So with those $2, if you're only comfortable taking a $500 loss, then buy 250 shares. So if it drops $2, you've lost $500. So whatever your risk tolerance is, that's what you should approach it. You know, there's so many things that can affect stocks. You can pick the perfect company and the macro of what's going on can cause a correction. But I like this company. I like their approach to treating atopic dermatitis. So I think this company is going to do well overall. This is not a mature company. It's not a very well financially, fundamentally established company where I can say, yes, I'm taking a long-term hold. This is just a swing trade. My profit target is anywhere between 32 and 33.85 area. You know your risk. You know your target, follow according to what you feel comfortable with. So basically, they have their FB401, which is what they're using to treat atopic dermatitis. This company, Forte Biosciences, just a brief overview, they came into the market in 2020 through a reverse merger. A reverse merger is almost the same concept as a SPAC, but it's just a little bit different. Their main product is this FB401, which is what they're using to treat atopic dermatitis. So there is competition. Right now, if you go to the doctor and they diagnose you with eczema, they usually treat you with corticosteroids. They might give you some sort of antihistamine to stop the itching. Their competition right now is a company called Dupixent. This company, Dupixent, is very successful. In 2018, they made over $1 billion in revenue. And in 2019, they made over $2.3 billion. What are they going to do differently than this company? Forte Biosciences is taking a different approach, different than Dupixent, to treat eczema. Basically, and I read many articles. They had a few good articles in the American Journal. Few companies produced great articles. To sum it up, the main difference is, so Dupixent, they basically inhibit IL-13 and IL-14, which are cytokines that initiate the inflammatory immune response. What's the side effect to that? Well, what happens when you inhibit anything with your immune system? You're more susceptible to infection. So that's one of the major side effects. And that medication is considered a second-line treatment. It's a secondary treatment to corticosteroids, to antihistamines. So Forte Biosciences is taking a different approach. They're creating their product, and it's going to be water-based, and it's going to contain 3 strains of bacteria. And these 3 strains of bacteria have shown to induce tissue repair and also reduce inflammation. They're hoping to make their medication a first-line treatment. I believe this company is in good position to be successful with their FB401 treatment on atopic dermatitis. They have an upcoming catalyst. Their technical analysis is strong. Although I mentioned I'm worried that we may have came a little late and there may be a pullback. But I do think overall, once this news comes out, it will serve as a catalyst. They've had positive tests. So whenever I do these swing trade, I read everything I have to read. I read all previous tests. And they've had a lot of success with this medication. And I'm pretty confident that when they make their announcement September 7th, that they're going to continue to have positive results, positive news. So everything they've done statistically has shown positive results on their FB401. Now, I don't think this is not a mature company yet. This is not something long-term like I mentioned before. But if this medication is successful, there's a worldwide market for this. You know, right now, the competition is making billions off their medication. So if this company can come in and not have the side effect of suppressing the immune system and using our own natural bacteria to treat AD, I think the sky is going to be the limit for this company. I'm bullish. I gave my technical analysis standpoint. I gave why I'm bullish. If you enjoyed the video, please comment, subscribe, hit the like button, and see you on the next video.